I've been vibing my whole life, always crashing and loud, trying to hold the world together while pretending I'm proud. People come like waves, some disappear, some stay, but you sat beside my tides. You stay right here. You didn't flinch when my storms got cruel. You didn't run when my blue turned cool. You learned my language without a single rule. You called me ocean when I felt like a pool. Stars of the ocean, they never leave the sky. Even when I'm sinking, they stay shining high. Wide as the water, but I feel small sometimes.